Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Shiverrod 254, man. Bring you back with another one. As you can see, cut dogs on the ground. Badass yellow boy, aka Sunset, back on the grind. What that mean? What that mean? Well, see, it might mean it's time to boogie, oogie, oogie. Woo, woo, boogie, oogie, oogie. So we got the cross member in, so I got a cross member in, exhaust back on, cross member back in, exhaust on, torque converter bolts in and tighten. I poured some transmission fluid in there. I know you're supposed to check it while it's running, but I guess I try to pour some more off in there. But just to give y'all a recap of what we've done for the last couple of days. See, that thing was moving. That bitch was smashing bugs. Sunset on his ass. The sunset on his ass. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, man, just bring y'all up to speed. So we done fully gotten rid of L column shifter. I'm kind of pissed because I paid like whatever I paid for this shit, but it wasn't no fucking good, no way. Could have been better had I adjusted it the way it needed to be adjusted, but I didn't. This is the new cross member. I'm not really worried about getting it on there right now. It's an easy fix. However, I did go ahead and mark where the holes need to come out to, so I'll be working on that. So yeah. What else? Yeah, so got rid of the column shifter all the way together. Cross member going in soon. Push button ain't nothing new. I'll be back in effect here shortly. Got the push button column shifter, however, is a new addition. Got the little cover on there, all that good stuff. So we put it on there, put it on transmission, adjusted it all the way how it needed to be. So should be good to go with that. So yeah, man, this is gonna be like a totally new driving experience. Sunset is back. Badass yellow boy is back with a vengeance. God damn it. God damn it. So yeah, let me grab this other. I'm gonna grab this other joint. Transmission fluid. I got the whole jug. I had like 2 jugs. And then after I thought about it, I found that other jug. But yeah, man, I basically had to move the shit out the way because that shit was right here. We was gonna start tinkering with that shit, but we didn't, so. Oh, damn, what I come over for? Oh yeah, transmission fluid. It was the cord over there. I got an old transmission. Once I had pulled everything off of it, etc., etc. So I'm gonna put the pan on that. Get ready to take that back to the transmission man. Let him Duelli, please. Where is... I know I had one single... I think I see it. I had one single quart. There it is. Also, with the new transmission, we got the larger stall in there, so like this thing should act a plum fool. Let y'all tell it. I don't know. It'll be my first time driving a stall vehicle, high stall vehicle, etc., etc. So that'll be a different video. I'm gonna just get it to the point today where we can get a little backup action, maybe a little going forward action, and we good. You know what I mean? Cut you back on when we're ready. All right, so we got first movement. It is alive. It can move back and forth on its own power again. We is back in the game, baby. Hey! Sunset. Won't be no mishaps this time. Won't be no mishaps this time. Won't be no mishaps this time. Yeah. Identify your weaknesses, make your strength life without about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, that grind don't stop. Hold on, let me get in here and hit it for you one time. Boom. Reverse. That's all you get. Gone. Alright, y'all, so we took it up the street, brought it back. And she good. She good. I'm out to double check. It's a little bit of a drip. I think I gotta double check my end lines. But other than that, she is GTG. Good to go. So, Sunset's Revenge, Badass Yellow Boy Revenge, whatever you want to call it. We back with a vengeance. Believe that.